It's Tim O'Brien with AVNation with a CEDIA Expo 2022 special. The road to CEDIA Expo. CEDIA happens the 29th of September through October 1st. And with me to talk about DMF lighting and their booth is Michael Libman. Welcome, sir.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. You guys are in 14055. Michael. We walk into the booth at CEDIA in Dallas, and what will we find?
We're really excited to be showcasing a couple new product launches for DMF lighting. So first off, we will be showing the IX series of small aperture downlights. It's a really new piece that is elevated above the DID with all the familiar benefits that you're used to with DMF lighting.
So talk for a second to somebody that's not entirely familiar with the different apertures and stuff. You said small aperture downlight. What is, when you're talking about especially home lighting, right, and home lighting design, what does that mean in comparison to like what you would typically find in a living space or a bedroom?
We're not the first fixture manufacturer to come out with a 2-inch fixture, but what is unique about this is that it is a full family. So if you're talking about our DID series, that's a 4-inch fixture, very common aperture. But with 2-inch, you get some limitations. One of which is it's a lot harder to fit a hand in a 2-inch fixture in the ceiling if you need to service it, maintain it, or deploy it.
Yeah.
There's also limitations around adjustability and output and optical control. So our engineers have been hard at work for a few years now, putting together this family to solve all of those practical problems and come up with something that has all the benefits of having something that's small and very aesthetically pleasing in the ceiling, with having all the functionality that you would come to expect from a proper architectural downlighting family.
All right. Really quickly, we're at CEDIA Expo, right? Home of electronics and sound systems and ginormous TVs. When it comes to lighting, there are some dealers that just haven't stepped their foot into it yet, right? It might be confusing. It might be daunting to them, right? Help somebody out there who, you know what, they know audio like nobody's business. They can, run a display or put a display up. But when it comes to lighting, how do you get them from over here in the AV part and work them into the lighting part of a home system?
Yeah, so most of the dealers that we're working with today have had background in lighting control as well as window treatments. And so by adding fixtures to that mix, you have a very unique value proposition that you can manage all the light in a client's home. So that's very unique from all of the traditional stakeholders that we've been working with for 35 years. With LED kind of coming out, lighting is a technology, and we want to partner with technology providers to be able to provide that solution. Also at DMF, we're really known for our modular form factor, and why that's important to an integrator is that it's very simple to specify, it's simple to deploy. If you make a mistake, it's low cost of labor and material to correct that mistake. And we really provide the most flexible platform with all the performance characteristics that you would expect in a luxury residence.
Michael, you guys are at 14055. 14055 is where we will find you in Dallas for CEDIA Expo 2022, but not everyone is going. So where will they find you online if they want to follow along with everything you'll be talking about that week?
Yeah, so dmflighting.com. We have an integrator specific tab that highlights our products that we bring to the CI channel. So highly encourage you to check that out. We've also got more detailed training information, product information. If you're interested in signing up as a DMF dealer, certainly reach out to us. And there's a way to do that directly at the website I just mentioned.
All right, very good. Michael Libman from DMF Lighting. Again, you find them at 14055. For us, for AVNation, go by our website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv. Follow along as we also head to Dallas for CEDIA Expo 2022, September 29th through October 1st. All that and more at avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.